My name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including OWASAP CSRF Guard, Zip4J, and Bouncy Castle FJA. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The list of ciphers and cipher suites that SecureTransport supports in FIPS mode has been moved to our security guide. With this month's update of Bouncy Castle FJA to version 1014, on the screen here you can see the 4 cipher suites which are no longer compliant with FIPS 142, but they can still be used. The drop-down lists on the subscriptions and routes subpages under the account page are now searchable and sorted in alphabetical order. This makes it much quicker and easier to find a specific application or route package template. The Oracle database configuration page in the administration tool has been redesigned to make it easy for administrators to configure separate log databases. The tooltips have also been updated to provide better help. As of this update, you can now store your certificates for the FTPS, HTTPS, and SSH protocols in a Thales Luna hardware security module. Luna is a default HSM and is managed by the HSM type server configuration option. Currently, only RSA keys are supported. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.